On your Tagry X08 earbuds, you can use its touch sensors to control volume, music and audio, and phone calls. So in this video, we're going to show you the button functions like play, pause, answer, and end calls, turn up and down volume on your Tagry True Wireless earbud. Now first, before anything else, I guess you need to know the most effective tapping zone, which is right above this curve on this touch panel. Now while playing video or music, if you tap once on either left or the right bud, it will cycle between pause and play. If you double tap only on your right bud, it'll let you forward to the next track. Double tap on the left bud will take you backwards. Now to increase volume, press and hold these right bud touch sensors to gradually turn up the volume. To decrease the volume, press and hold over this left bud till you reach the perfect volume. Now let's talk about calling, okay? Now while there is a call, to answer it, either on left or right bud, just tap twice. To end a call, you can use the same gesture on either of the buds for ending a call. Now to reject a call, just press and hold on any of the buds. Lastly, if any voice assistant is enabled on your device, whenever you quickly press thrice on any of the buds, this will raise the assistant according to the device you're using, Siri or Google Assistant. You know what I mean, right? And those are pretty much all the button functions you can do with your Tagry X08 earbuds. Thank you for watching.